Hey, hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's all about cooking a small feral pig on the braai on the rotisserie. Okay, here's what we got going here. We got a small feral pig. Live weight, he was about 25 to 30 pounds. And you can see here, I've got them all dressed out, cleaned up good, nice and clean, no hair. And we're gonna pat them dry, get them nice and dry, inside and out. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of avocado oil inside the cavity. And this is mainly just to get the spices to adhere to the flesh, and I'm using some of my home brewed rub here. I'm going to put a bunch of it inside the cavity, and then continue on the outside by rubbing some avocado oil on the outside. Just get it all over, nice and even. This little pig is going to really be good on the braai. I'll put him on this rotisserie soon. As soon as I get him oiled up and spiced up here, we'll put him on there. And then we may have to put a little bit more spice on him after we do that too. We'll get this guy all smeared up here with this avocado oil. There, that looks good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put them on the rotisserie and then finish putting the spice on the outside. So here we go. Put on this good rub, home brew rub that I use on beef and pork and chicken. It's good for everything. Now, I'm going to take them over here and see if we can get them on the braai. Okay, put in this hole first, and then right here. And he's sitting about right. Maybe I can move him over just a little bit in this one direction. That's easy to do. I'll put him right here like so. Tighten him up on there. Got some hot coals put in there. Put a little bit more avocado oil on here. Want to keep them nice and moist, and this way I can get a little bit more of my seasoning on there. Oh, I think he's going to turn out fantastic on this braai. There we go. You can get a little bit more seasoning on there. I got some pecan wood scratch from my wood shop, and I'll just put these over on the side here a little bit, and get some smoke coming off of that. And he's already looking good. Let me shut this up here. I close that bottom one, and then close this one. Okay, well, we've had this all on the rotisserie here in the braai for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And I just took an internal temperature, and it's 165 degrees. So, 1.5 hours, this little pig is already done on the rotisserie. I'm going to now wrap him in foil and just kind of let him mellow out on here, get a little more tender. And you can see it's already starting to pull away from the bone. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we can get it off. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, it's falling apart. It's really gonna be good. Okay, we need to do a little taste test here. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go check out some of my other videos.